What's up, Kingdom family? Welcome to the channel, Tony B Hair Wig Kingdom. Alright, so make sure you click that bell, comment, and subscribe. You guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell. Alright, today we're going to install a transparent frontal lace wig. This is a wig that I made myself for my client. So everything is to her measurements. Alright, we did circumference, we did hairline to nape, we did ear to ear, and we also did around the neckline, just to make sure we had all the measurements. Now, we did not do a detailed tutorial. This isn't a tutorial really. This is more of a show off, I guess, or a show and tell. All right. So I guess if you want to call it a show and tell. All right. So the pressing comb is very important when installing any lace unit. The pressing comb really assists with the hair being really flat in the parting area, and also the edges. Another good thing is the pressing comb, like I've said in previous videos, is really good with helping all the product that you put on the lace help melt it even more. All right, but you got to make sure you're using the pressing comb properly. Make sure that you are flicking your wrist so that the back of the comb is straightened. All right, it's not the comb that's doing the straightening, it's the back of the comb and the pressure that you put on the hair that's straightening. All right, what time is it? Shears time. we about to cut this hair. All right, we about to cut it. We're gonna do like an asymmetric situation. It's not gonna be a deep asymmetric. It's gonna be a very clean line, asymmetric type of cut. All right, so it's going to be one side larger than the other. You guys are going to see as I go along, her head position does change simply because I want a lift in the back. All right, anytime you're doing a bob cut, however the head is positioned, that's the way the cut is going to turn out. FYI. All right, we're not doing a lot of over direction with the hair. We're just keeping it really a natural flow on it. All right, a lot of times I over direct the hair, the front I will pull it all the way to the back just to get that more of a angle or the more of a blended cut. All right, but we're not doing that, we're just cutting. All right, yeah, so when you over direct the hair with a bob, it helps you to blend in the lines. All right, so you won't be able to tell the difference between one angle from another. All right, that's when you over direct. All right, see, I'm doing a little over direction but not much. All right, we're going to just frame the face a little bit, guys. All right, we're going to frame that face a little bit. We're going to actually have the hair coming in the face just a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to curl this hair. All right, now what I'm getting ready to show you guys is when you layer the hair properly, when you cut your hair properly, you can curl in any direction. It doesn't matter. All right, and you can use your comb to place the curls in the direction you want them to go. All right, but that cut has to be right. All right, so the layer cutting has to be right. All right, and you can curl in any direction. As long as the curl is right, it's going to go how you want it to go. All right, what else I wanted to tell you guys? Oh, you're not going to see a full style here because I ran out of film. Sorry about that, guys, but this is still great for you guys to see because look how great that those curls are turning out. And I just cut it and layer cut it and then curled it, and then I curled in any direction I wanted to, and look how the curls are just laying how I want them to lay. All right, so she's pretty excited. I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.